Tina, I've been thinking a lot about good manners lately.
Really? What got you thinking about that?
Well, I noticed how small acts of kindness and politeness can make a big difference in our interactions with others and the world around us.
I completely agree. Good manners are like the secret sauce of social interactions. But they seem to be fading away in today's fast-paced world.
Exactly, and I think it's important for us to keep them alive. It starts with us,
I'm all ears. What are some good manners you've been thinking about?
Well, one of the most fundamental manners is saying please and thank you. These simple words can brighten someone's day. When someone does something for you, saying thank you shows appreciation, and using please when making a request shows respect.
Absolutely. It's amazing how such little words can have such a big impact. And you know what else I've noticed? A smile can go a long way too. Greeting people with a smile can make them feel valued and welcome.
You're right, Tina. Smiles are universal signs of kindness and warmth. Plus, they're contagious. When you smile at someone, they often can't help but smile back.
That's true. So, what about common courtesy and politeness? I think holding doors open for others and letting them go first is a great display of good manners.
Oh, absolutely. Holding a door open is a small gesture, but it reflects thoughtfulness and respect for others. It shows that you're willing to inconvenience yourself momentarily to make someone else's day a bit easier.
I like that perspective. It's like creating a chain reaction of kindness. And speaking of politeness, using excuse me and I'm sorry when necessary can diffuse tense situations and show empathy.
Excuse me and I'm sorry are like magic words. They acknowledge that we all make mistakes or occasionally bump into each other in life. They're a way of saying, I respect your personal space and I value our relationship.
You're making me realize how much good manners can influence our relationships. It's like a way of showing that we care about the people around us. What about the art of active listening? How does that fit into good manners?
Active listening is a fundamental part of good manners, Tina. It's about giving someone your full attention when they're talking to you. It shows that you respect their thoughts and feelings. It's not just about hearing the words, but understanding the emotions behind them.
I've been guilty of not giving my full attention at times, especially when I'm distracted. But I can see how it can make a significant difference in building stronger connections with people.
It happens to all of us, Tina. The key is to be aware of it and make an effort to improve. It's not about being perfect, but striving to be better.
I appreciate our conversations, Alex. You always bring out these important life lessons. So, what can we do to promote good manners in our daily lives?
It's simple, Tina. Let's practice what we've discussed here. Let's say please and thank you often, greet people with smiles, hold doors open, and be more mindful of our active listening. By doing these small things, we can inspire others to follow suit.
I'm in, Alex. Let's be the change we want to see in the world and bring good manners back into fashion.